Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Ri and today's video is a holiday doodles video. I love everything about Christmas and the cozy holiday season, so I thought I would doodle a couple of my favorite things and hopefully give you guys some ideas for your bullet journals. So let's head on into the video. I'm starting off by drawing some hanging ornaments with patterns inside. And in this video, I won't be focusing as much on ornaments because my December bullet journal was entirely ornament themed. So if you're interested in that, make sure to head on over and check it out. And now I'm just going to start by drawing some bells and bows. And I'm adding dimension to these items by drawing some small diagonal lines to add a bit of shading and depth. Now on the second row, I'm doodling some wreaths. They are of different sizes and shapes, and some have more leaves and others are more structured. Now I'm doodling some mistletoe, and this was actually really fun to draw because I just did a straight line down and I added some leaves and berries just sporadically. And we can't have Christmas without some holly. Next I'm doodling this horizontal wreath slash garland, and I thought it was really perfect for some bullet journaling banners and things like that. This next row is all about packaging and presents, and I'm just drawing some different presents of different sizes and shapes with some crisscross and striped patterns and a polka dot wrapping paper as well. I also can't forget a candy cane for the holidays as well. For the stockings, I'm just drawing a basic sock shape, and then I'm adding some patterns like a border on the top or this striped and diamond pattern on the second one. And I'm also drawing two styles of mittens and gloves, and I'm drawing a string to attach the two mittens together because I think it looks really cute like that. And for the gloves, I'm drawing a pattern inside. On the bottom, I'm drawing a gingerbread house, and I'm keeping the shapes on the house really wavy and messy to kind of resemble a frosting look. I'm also doodling a gingerbread man with the basic cutout shape, and also some Christmas cookies for Santa with a glass of milk. I'm also doodling a patterned scarf to fill up that area. To start the next page, I'm drawing a fireplace, and I'm adding a brick pattern with some alternating lines. I also really love hot drinks in the cozy wintertime weather, so I drew a Starbucks coffee cup and also some basic mugs with hot chocolate and marshmallows inside. Next, I'm doodling Santa's sleigh, and it's easy to draw the seat first and then add the two curved lines for the bottom. After drawing Santa, I'm doodling this tiny little Christmas card with a tree on the front. I'm starting this next row with two types of snowmen, and one is tall with a top hat and a scarf, and the other is more short with a beanie and two mittens. Now I'm moving on to some varieties of Christmas trees. for this second row of trees, my camera accidentally ran out of battery, so I wasn't able to capture me drawing it out, but I hope you guys can still get the idea by just taking a look at them. Now, to fill up some of the space on the right, I'm also doodling an angel and a candle. And on the bottom, I saved the best for last, I think, because snowflakes are my favorite thing to doodle during the holidays, because I just love playing around with different patterns and different shapes and kind of watching the snowflake come together. So I did a couple different styles, and yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for this holiday doodles video, and if you liked some of these doodles and if it gave you some bullet journal ideas, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more holiday videos coming up soon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!